Advisor with Creekmore Wealth. Hope you guys are doing well. In this week's flash briefing, I want to talk about a number of ways in which you can use something that we all dread, which is paying taxes and getting our taxes done every year, how you can use that to your benefit to help set the table for a strong financial future. If you're like me, you really don't want to go and get your taxes done. However, one of the benefits of having your tax return is if you have the tools available to you, you can actually use those tools to help you find ways to reduce your future taxation and or increase your ability to save efficiently for your goals. And we recently have procured a tool that allows us to almost instantaneously analyze your tax returns and tell you, hey, here's some things that you're missing. I would encourage you to take a look at 3 areas if you have your taxes done or when you have your taxes done. The first area would be, am I contributing to the correct tax bucket? And if you've worked with us, you know what that means, but very simply, that means, am I putting the right amount of money in pre-tax dollars, so my pre-tax 401k or in an IRA? Am I putting enough money or the right amount of money in after-tax buckets, my Roth account, my joint brokerage account? Am I correctly allocating my assets to ensure I'm not paying more taxes than what I need to now, but I'm also setting myself up to have a very tax-efficient future when I begin using those assets? That's a huge question. The second question would be, am I receiving and claiming all of the credits and deductions that I am due when I'm doing my taxes? And if you work with someone who prepares your taxes for you, the answer is probably yes. However, it's something where I, for myself, realize, I'm actually missing out on a few credits that I can be using. And the reason I learned that is because I took the time to actually dig into my returns and analyze them a little bit deeper. Third question would be, can I conduct a Roth conversion? Now, we've talked about this topic a ton in recent months and over the last year and a half, but just really briefly, I would encourage you, whenever you come and meet with us before the end of the year for your annual account review, or if you're going to start working with us in the year ahead, bring your most recent tax return with you. We're able to analyze in a matter of minutes whether or not it is in your best interest to conduct a Roth conversion. You have until the end of the 2021 tax year and the end of 2021 to conduct a Roth conversion. So I would encourage you, whenever you do come and meet with us, bring your tax returns. We'll do the analysis and let you know if that is in your best interest and walk you through all of the ins and outs of that scenario. Once again, guys, thank you so much for your time. Let's use this unfortunate time of year, which is prepping our taxes and paying the government from our hard-earned income. Let's use it to our benefit to set the table up for a strong financial future.